Successful material handling requires a system involving you, your lift truck, and the operating environment. Your new Toyota lift truck is designed to be part of that system and to provide many years of productive handling of materials. The safe operation of your Toyota lift truck is our goal. An understanding of the features, functions, and proper use of the lift truck is necessary to help reach that goal. This program is intended to begin the learning process. The presentation will introduce you to several general principles of safe lift truck operation. This video is a supplement to Toyota's operator's manual that comes with your lift truck. The information presented here is not intended as a substitute for a comprehensive lift truck training program. Toyota and its dealers can provide a complete operator training program for your truck. That program will also help you and your company comply with the OSHA requirements for meeting your training responsibility. Before you operate your new Toyota lift truck, be sure to read the operator's manual for the truck. The manual and the accompanying wall chart will have useful information that's specific to the safe operation of your lift truck. If your operator's manual or the truck's safety warning decals get lost or damaged, you can always obtain replacements from any Toyota dealer. Remember to follow all of the recommendations found on the warning decal of your lift truck. The decal is posted in the operator compartment because the information is so important to the proper use of your truck. Above all, you must always be trained and authorized before you operate any powered industrial lift truck. The Federal Occupational Safety and Health Administration requires formal training for all lift truck operators. OSHA also publishes specific guidelines for safe lift truck operation. You should know that your Toyota lift truck is designed for operation in the aisle and for pallet load storage and retrieval. It can also be used to transport materials outside of the storage aisle, on loading docks, and in and out of tractor trailers. Your lift truck should not be used as a maintenance vehicle. Never lift a person with your lift truck because personnel baskets are not available for installation on this lift truck. The operator compartment and the controls provide multiple points of stability for the operator. With 2 feet on the compartment floor, 2 hands on the controls, and multiple lean points in the compartment, you are within the confines of the lift truck. The multi-function control handle is used to operate the travel and load handling functions of the vehicle. The horn button is also located on the handle. The button is an essential safety device. The steering wheel or tiller controls truck steering. You can drive the lift truck either forks first or tractor first. The deadman pedal serves 2 important functions. When you step on the pedal, it enables all the lift truck's functions. When you lift up the pedal, the deadman brake is engaged. While plugging is the preferred manner of slowing the lift truck in normal operation, the use of the deadman pedal is critical in any situation that requires an emergency stop, and it is the fastest method of stopping the truck. Remember to hold the pedal down with only 1 foot. You have to be able to lift up the pedal quickly in an emergency. The emergency power off button is important because it interrupts power to the truck in the event of a serious malfunction. The button should not be used as a substitute for the deadman brake. Always inspect the lift truck prior to the start of each shift. A checklist is provided with the truck to assist you with the inspection process. During the daily inspection, you will be testing the function of the controls in the operator compartment. A daily inspection is required by OSHA regulation. A regular inspection also benefits you by helping to identify possible problems with the lift truck before they can become more serious. Be sure any and all problems are repaired before you operate the lift truck. Report any malfunctions or unsafe conditions to your supervisor. Make sure you are familiar with the capacity of your lift truck. You should always know how much weight can be safely handled and do not exceed the capacity of the truck. Review the information on the specification plate if you have any questions. The plate is found in or near the operator compartment. Always stay within the operator compartment when you operate the lift truck. Never put any part of your body between the mast uprights or outside of the compartment. This includes your hands, feet, arms, legs, head, and torso. When operating your lift truck, make sure you have a clear view of the direction and path of travel at all times. If the load blocks your view, travel with forks trailing. The design of the operator compartment and controls is intended to make this possible. Keep in mind that your loaded lift truck weighs several thousand pounds, 3 to 4 times that of an automobile. Even at slower speeds, the lift truck will exert significantly more force in a collision situation. The lift truck can stop quickly with the use of the deadman pedal. However, trying to use a hand or foot to help stop will have absolutely no effect on stopping the truck. Serious injury will result. Always stay in the compartment until the lift truck comes to a complete stop. Your truck may be equipped with a compartment sensor system. The compartment sensor system uses multiple light beam sensors embedded in housings in the rear of the operator compartment. The purpose of this system is to reinforce your training to assume and maintain the proper operating position. The sensor system will prevent or interrupt travel if you are not fully in the compartment while operating the lift truck. When the truck is stationary, it will not travel if the sensor system is blocked or interrupted by any part of your body when you attempt either forward or reverse travel. The operator display will scroll a message of the condition and an alarm tone will sound. You must remove the obstruction from the sensors and return the control handle to neutral to reset the travel function. When you are traveling, the truck will decelerate to a stop if the light beams of the sensor system are blocked or interrupted. The truck will have only very limited travel speed if you move the control handle through neutral. This allows you to still be able to move the truck in an emergency situation. You must remove the obstruction from the sensor system and return the control handle to neutral before you can resume full speed travel. The compartment sensor system is designed to reinforce your training to assume and maintain a proper operating position. It is not a substitute for safe behavior. The open rear design of the operator compartment permits easy entry and exit for the operator. This is especially important in the event of a tip-over or off-dock situation with the lift truck. On a stand-up end-control rider vehicle, Toyota and OSHA direct that the safest action for the operator to take if the truck were to tip or go off a dock is to step off and move quickly away from the lift truck. There is greater potential for serious injury if you attempt to stay with the truck rather than to get off and away quickly. Always look in the direction of travel, including when backing up. There may be obstacles, traffic, or pedestrians that could make the situation hazardous. For example, you could be working in an aisle where the first rack beam was located above the height of the truck tractor. In this situation, there is the possibility of backing into the rack beam and being pinned or crushed. That is why looking first and keeping the truck under control are so important. Knowing your work environment is important too. In its standard configuration, your lift truck minimizes the overall risk to operators and pedestrians across the entire range of anticipated environments of use. The environment where the lift truck is used may make it beneficial to add one or more options to enhance the safe use of your vehicle. If your environment changes, you should also consider whether any features should be removed or modified. For example, rear vertical post extended backrest option may be helpful where a lift truck, driven improperly, could end up under a rack beam. Warning lights may be useful in high-noise environments. Your lift truck is just one part of your material handling system. Your truck must be properly configured to your operating environment. Information on many application-specific features is available from your Toyota dealer. Training in the safe operation of your new Toyota lift truck and active and attentive supervision of operators are necessary to maintain a workplace that's free from accident and injury. A thorough understanding of the features and the functions of the lift truck is essential to its proper use. Consistent with the OSHA SHIB, if your environment changes, you should consider whether any features should be removed or modified. For more information regarding the operation of your Toyota lift truck, including operator training specific to your Toyota model and pedestrian training, please contact your Toyota dealer.